So this is our hotel right here. Really beautiful. So nice. A little sitting area, and it gets better. They have like a nice little waterfall and has like a dolphin with a lady. It's pretty cool. So this is drink number 2, guys. And I'm trying to tell you, and it's free. So in the elevator right now, going to our room. Let's see what it looks like. Having lunch outside by the ocean, and I kind of like this table right here. You got it right? Yeah. So I'm trying to see what we're gonna eat. We just ordered 2 margaritas. So how you feel?
Good.
It's beautiful out here, right?
Yes.
I know. It's so nice. It is so. This is it. Okay, this is what life is about. We made our way to the strip in Mexico. It kind of looks like Las Vegas, kind of, sort of. And we made some friends that are leaving tomorrow. They were so kind enough to, you know, show us where the strip was, where they have all like the parties and stuff like that. So we are on the strip right now.
Okay, thank you. Oh.
So these are real seeds, real chocolate seeds, guys. And these pictures are like just showing the process of it, and that's the end result of what chocolate looks like when we get it. So here's our tour guide just explaining to us like the end result of making chocolate and how they smash it and get it to this like smooth like consistency as you see in the diagram in that picture, and the process that it takes, where we then go into another room where it shows just like this exhibit and the history about the country and how they made their chocolate. This is just a little area also where they're selling the products, and it was really cute. Mexico is doing a really good job with making more exhibits that you can go to. And that's what that was, where they had different variations of chocolate, and they also gave samples, which I really appreciated. And the chocolate was so good. It tastes so different from here, like minimally processed and so rich and fresh. For YouTube, can I put you here?
Yeah.
Hola.
This is Mexico. We are here in Quintana Roo. The states of Nayarit, Jalisco, Michoacán, Guanajuato, and Tamaulipas are the states where the agave azul.
So here our tour guide is just letting us know the other cities that are within Mexico that are on that map. So now we're gonna be doing the wine, the tequila tasting, guys.
Silver tequila.
Okay.
It's a young tequila. Is 1 month to 3 months.
Okay.
You can take one little glass.
Okay.
This 100%.
This is
Añejo.
añejo. This takes 1 to 3 years to make. Oh Lord, I feel the chest here is growing. Ooh. Can I see the bottle?
Which one?
Let me see the front of it.
The name is Cava de Oro.
What is this one? Poquito, poquito. Oh my God.
Real small.
Oh my God.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. Ooh, no,
Let me see. What's this?
Change the color and the flavor.
And this one is what?
This is the reposado. It's
Reposado.
3 months to 11 months.
So it takes 3 to 11 months to age this. Oh God, y'all, I might be a little twisted after leaving the tequila museum.
3 months.
So it takes 1 to 3 months to age this tequila. And let me see what kind of tequila this is.
This is for shot or to make margarita.
So this is for shots or to make margaritas?
This kind of tequila you just can find just in Mexico, no in other.
Oh, so you can only find. I like tequila, but I don't know if I'm gonna be buying tequila from Mexico. Okay, because tequila in Mexico is different. It hit differently. All right. I feel like I just grew chest hairs. This is no.
And yeah, we walk that way right now.
Woo! We got to catch them. Woo! Today is day 2 or day 3, I think. I'm about to go get my towels so I can be ready for the snorkeling and yacht boat ride that I'm gonna be going on right now. So I'm so excited. It's about to be lit. I don't know how to swim, so hopefully everything goes well. But yeah. But I'm wearing a little white tank top and some shorts. And a little fanny pack so I can carry my stuff. And then I'll be taking this off for when I go into the water. Okay, so we're walking to the bus right now. I think people come like a part of Mexico and their culture and just we should just live here because the way we take the bus, you would think that we really live here.
You saw it.
Let me tell you guys, I think I'm Spanish now too. I mean, I'm not Spanish. I think I'm Hispanic now. I'm kind of low-key speaking Spanish to these people. They understand. I'm telling them my room number in Spanish. And they understand that the little security guard that you have to give your room number to when you're leaving and entering our resort was talking to me. I don't know what the hell he was saying, but I was just like, yeah, you know, okay. Like, see, I see. So, be back. Hi.
Have you with you? Okay, mamacita, please take care of your mask. I'm gonna take you a picture right here, like
Atlantis número 2, okay? Welcome aboard the name of your boat, Atlantis number 2. Look at this beautiful day. Es muy hermoso, ¿eh? Un poquito de nublado, más o menos sol, viento, mar, arena, que va increíble, ¿verdad? Ok, muy bien, chicos. En este momento le voy a presentar a la tripulación.
Yes, I can't wait. Look at it, guys. Look. It's so beautiful out here. We're in Isla Muertes, guys. This is so nice. Oh my God. So excited. I cannot wait to get in the water. And I believe that's tartar sauce. I think that's guacamole or pico de gallo. We're gonna find out before we eat it, but it looks pretty good, so I'm gonna try this. So now we're gonna try some tequila. They have mango, coffee, and quite a few actually. So what kind of tequila is this? Mango? Okay, so we're gonna take a shot right now. Ready?
Take a baby shot.
1, 2. Let's see. I'm gonna taste coffee.
Wow. I like the mango one the best too. Oh no, the walnut.
Ooh, that tastes good.
With your
Tastes like
platinum race band, you got 50% off on the bottle, and I can put your name.
Now we're gonna be going to do kayaking, or some type of water slide. So that's where we're going right now. look at it because it's like 3 different layers. It's so cute. And it takes a lot. Wow, look at how cool this is. So I got my hand hennaed here in Cancun, and this gentleman is the person who did it. He did a wonderful job. It is so pretty, guys. So I'm on my way to the Xcaret. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but it's like this big amusement park where they have, I don't even know if it's an amusement park, but it's a big park. They have animals, different things that you could do. You can see dolphins.
Okay.
There's a whole lot.
Bueno, pues chicos, llegando al parque, when you arrive to the park, ya tendrán toda la información. Esto se llama Senses, this is Senses. Vámonos los...
Bienvenidos al Parque Xcaret. Para nosotros lo más importante es su seguridad.
So today, we're going to be doing fish stuff. And I'm so excited. So this is basically where you sit in a tank with fish. And they actually swim around and massage your feet. So let's see how this is gonna go. We have to put them in slow. What they gonna do to my feet? Oh! Oh my God, they on my feet. Oh my goodness, I can feel the fish on the feet. They're flying around my feet. Oh my God, look at them. Look at the fish coming to my feet. Why y'all not coming? Look, look, look. I don't know how I'm letting these fish bite me up like this, guys. You just don't even know. I don't think they like my feet anymore. They kind of moved away from my feet, but... Oh, wait, they coming, they coming, they coming, they coming. Oh my gosh, look, guys. They really eat. Look at them. I tickle so much, you don't even know. They like my feet. It's like little vibrations everywhere. So right now, we finished the fish therapy, and we are headed to... Where are we going now?
I'm thinking about... I'm trying to figure out if we should go this way or we should explore this side first.
What is on that
So we could
side?
just, well, this is basically, never mind, this is basically right here. We
Okay.
can go see what's in here.
So we're gonna go just see what's going on down here.
Yeah.
So here are some parrots, and they seem to be fighting. Look how beautiful they are. Oh my God. What is that? Let me see. Oh, is that an iguana? Hi, buddy.
Nah. What if it started chasing us? I think I want to put on my feet.
He like, what y'all doing in my house? What y'all doing in this neck of the woods? Oh no. We're on a boat ride right now. It's about 10 minutes long. As you can see, we have a gentleman paddling us, and we're in the water. It's pretty cool. So here we were on a little 10-minute tour where they take you through this like rainforest kind of sort of like type of vibe. And this was just a cave that was a part of the tour. It was so compact. You can see how tightly packed we were on the little boat ride. It was nice, but I was kind of scared because I'm claustrophobic. But I did input a picture of the rainforest so you guys could see what it looks like, and it was just amazing. Like, it was breathtaking. Something you see in like a movie or something like that. And then here's a picture of me, just showing you guys the atmosphere and the continuing of the boat ride. So here is me just recording them and their show that they were putting on. I thought this would be cool to record because of their outfits and how intricate the detailing was. If you can look at their costumes, it looks like it was like handmade, and it took a lot of time. Even their headpieces that they had on were really intricately made. And just to show you the scenery and just to hear the beats and the sounds of their music and just to see what it looks like on the excursion. So here they're on like this wheel thing where they're actually using their physical body to push this thing to turn, and I thought that was really cool because it takes a lot of manpower to do that. So yeah. And here's just like this fountain that I thought was really unique and pretty because they used the seashell and it had water coming out of it. Like, I've never seen anything like that before. So I just loved it. It was so nice. I don't know how to swim, but I'm gonna try. I don't know. I forgot what this is that I'm doing, but I'm gonna show you guys. I think it's like a snorkeling type of thing. I don't know. But we're about to see. And I got some good swim. We just finished swimming with dolphins, and I must say that I'm so proud of myself because I cannot swim. And I was scared of panicking, but the life jacket that they give you is very supportive, and it really kept me afloat. You can ask to swim. I was acting crazy, okay? She didn't want to swim. There was a marine biologist in the water. She's like, I'm a marine biologist. It's okay, I got you. I'm going to make sure you're okay. I was like, no, I can't do it. I don't want to do it. So it was a really beautiful experience, and the dolphins are so smart, and they're so beautiful and precious, and I wish that they could be free in their natural habitat and not closed in on this island, but I'm happy I got to experience them. So now we're getting ready to go eat. Alright, so this is what I'm eating. I got some shrimp, some Alfredo, some salmon, some broccoli, some corn, some zucchini in there, some seafood soup, some mango juice. It's just really wild. Got some guac over there that I was eating, but this food tastes so good. Birds are eating all our food. Look at this. This is crazy. We got up for like 2 seconds. Unbelievable. What's that? Get away. So finally, I'm out laying on the beach, and it feels so good. Getting a tan, trying to enjoy the resort a little bit since I've been all over Mexico, it seemed like. And look at the view. I'm gonna come back looking like a caramel frap. I don't know, but I'm coming back talking to what I was. Like a honey glazed caramel tres de leche donut. Ooh, that sounds good. So now we're going to an interactive aquarium, and we're also going to be seeing a show. And this is the beginning of it. Oh wow, look at that. Oh my god. Ooh, these are some weird looking creatures. African chichi.
A big girl.
Okay, so this is our tour guide. Well, he's been really helpful, and Ephraim, he's marvelous. He's showing us the crocodiles right here. Look, oh my god. He just squirted me with like a water cucumber. You gotta see it. Sea cucumber. Wow.
It looks like a gigantic caterpillar, isn't it? Isn't he cute?